In your book, when you first went to Saipan at the airport to get a flight, you said the universe is perfect, so you have to get on the path. Do you mean every situation has a perfect path? Ah, interesting question. This is going to allow me to wax philosophic for quite a while. So, all right. So, I believe you're referring to my book, Jamaican on Saipan, where I chronicle my escape from New York and landing on Saipan. And when I got to Japan, at that time, I found out I did not have the required visa to go through Japan, and I had to rebook a ticket and then fly a day or two later. So if you are interested in that story, you can check out Jamaican on Saipan and experience that with me. And I've mentioned that my philosophy in life is the universe is perfect. It doesn't, and that's my philosophy. The universe is perfect. When something bad happens, something that you interpret as bad, something that other people might assume is bad, my philosophy is to reduce the amount of time between when I'm frustrated or upset and the time when I say, the universe is perfect. And the shorter that distance gets is the faster you can move ahead and find the good in the situation. So I generally waste no time at all lamenting something bad that happens. In fact, during that episode in Japan, my friend, when I was told that I couldn't board the plane because I didn't have the visa, I said, fantastic. And then said, okay, what are my options? And the counter clerk gave me my options. My friend Ken at the time commented that he was impressed by my reaction because he's seen people blow a gasket when confronted with that sort of situation. So my philosophy again is the universe is perfect. And what I mean by that is it may not proceed the way you want it to proceed. Things may not proceed the way you want them to proceed, and even the way you expect them to proceed, but they'll proceed in a way. And if you have the right mindset, you will. The simpler version of this is there's a silver lining in every cloud. So if you believe that the universe is perfect, then immediately my mind goes to, okay, I'm being delayed. I have to stay in Las Vegas for 2 extra days until my flight. What is the universe leading me to? Who is the universe leading me to meet? What is the universe giving me an opportunity to do? What is the good that will come out of this situation? So that's how I approach life. When something happens, I'm not attached to a particular outcome. So when something presents itself, I am open to the fact that this could be a better outcome than the one that I envisioned. And that's what I mean by the universe is perfect. I may not see the perfection. I may not have envisioned the perfection, but because I believe that it is there, I will seek it out. And I will be more open to, okay, who am I supposed to meet here in Las Vegas now that I'm delayed here 2 extra days that will help me actually achieve my goal in a more expeditious way than I had anticipated, because the underlying belief is that the universe is bending to my will, that things are unfolding in a way that will get me to my goal in the best way possible, or as my mother would say, in divine order. So that's how I proceed through life. So that's what I mean by the universe is perfect. I may not see the perfection, but it is there, and I will look for it and not fall into the trap of automatically assuming that if I don't get on the flight, then that is a catastrophe. Long explanation. Hope that helps.